Circle. A simple closed curve drawn in such a way that every point on it is at an equal distance from a fixed point lying inside it is called a circle. The fixed point is called the center. In the figure given on the right, O is the center of the circle. How to draw a circle? We can draw a circle by moving a pencil around the edge of a bangle, a wheel, and 1 rupee coin, a bottle cap, etc. A paper clip and 2 pencils can also be used to draw a circle. Look at the figure given on the right. Keep one pencil fixed and move the other pencil around until you return to the beginning point. The fixed pencil makes the center of the circle. Terms associated with the circle. Radius. The radius of a circle is a line segment drawn from the center to any point on the circle. Line segments OP, OA, and OB are the respective radii of the circle. All the radii of a circle are equal in length. Plural of radius is called radii. Diameter. The diameter of a circle is the line segment which passes through the center of the circle and its endpoints lie on the circle. Line segment AB is the diameter of the circle. Chord. The chord of a circle is a line segment which joins the 2 given points on a circle. Line segments LM and AB are chords of the circle. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference of a circle. The distance covered by the point A is the circumference of the circle. Relation between radius and diameter of a circle. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. In the given circle, OA, OB, and OP are the radii, and AB is the diameter. AB is equal to 2 into OA or OB or OP. In other words, we can say diameter is twice the radius. Example, the radius of a circle is 3 cm. Find its diameter. Solution. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius is equal to 2 into 3 cm is equal to 6 cm. How to measure a line segment? We know that a small length is measured in centimeters. We use a 15 cm ruler to measure line segments. For measuring the length of a given line segment, say PQ, we place a ruler with its edge along the segment PQ in such a way that 0 mark of the ruler coincides with the point P as shown below. Now we read the mark on the ruler which coincides with the point Q. The reading on the ruler corresponding to the point Q is the length of the line segment PQ. In the above figure, we see that the mark on the ruler against Q indicates 5 big divisions. So, the length of the segment PQ is 5 cm, that is PQ is equal to 5 cm. How to draw a line segment of a given length? In order to draw a line segment of a given length, say 6 cm, 5 mm, proceed as per the following steps. Step 1. Mark a point, say X. Step 2. Put a ruler with its 0 mark at X as shown in the above figure. Step 3. Draw a line segment, moving the pencil along the edge of the ruler till you reach the 6 cm, 5 mm mark on the ruler. Step 4. Name this point Y. Remove the ruler. The line segment XY so drawn is 6 cm, 5 mm long. Perimeter of rectilinear figures. Rectilinear figure. A plane figure bounded by line segments is called a rectilinear figure. Each one of the figures, a triangle, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, etc. is a rectilinear figure. Remember that a circle is not a rectilinear figure. The length of the boundary of any rectilinear figure is known as its perimeter. In other words, the perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a rectilinear figure. Example 1. Find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Solution. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 5 cm plus 6 cm plus 4 cm is equal to 15 cm. Example 2. The length and the breadth of a rectangular field are 110 meter and 80 meter respectively. Find the length of wire needed to put a fence all around the garden 3 times. Solution. Let PQRS represent the garden whose length PQ is equal to 110 meter and breadth QR is equal to 80 meter. Perimeter of the garden is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP is equal to 110 plus 80 plus 110 plus 80 meter is equal to 380 meter. Therefore, wire needed to fence one time is equal to 380 meter. Wire needed to fence 3 times is equal to 380 into 3 is equal to 1140 meter. Note, perimeter must always be expressed with its unit of length like centimeter, meter, etc. It is wrong to say that the perimeter of the triangle given in example 1 is 15. We must say that the perimeter of the triangle is 15 cm. Lengths of the sides mentioned in the figures in this chapter are not realistic.